Unlock the secret to traveling the world without breaking the bank. Imagine exploring stunning destinations while your flights and hotels are practically free. Points and miles can turn this dream into reality. And today, I'll show you exactly how to make it happen. First, start by understanding the basics. Points and miles are rewards you earn through travel credit cards, frequent flyer programs, and hotel loyalty programs. Each point or mile has value and can be redeemed for free flights, hotel stays, and more. To begin, choose a travel credit card that matches your goals. Look for cards that offer generous sign-up bonuses and perks like earning 2 to 5 times points on purchases like dining, groceries, or travel. For example, cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Capital One Venture Rewards are excellent options for beginners. Next, maximize your earnings by pairing your card with frequent flyer or hotel loyalty programs. Airlines like Delta, American Airlines, and United have free programs where you can transfer your credit card points. Similarly, hotel chains like Marriott, Hilton, and Hyatt allow you to earn free nights through their loyalty programs. Don't forget to take advantage of bonus opportunities. Many cards offer higher rewards for spending in certain categories or during promotions. Additionally, use airline shopping portals or dining programs to stack up miles on everyday purchases. Now, let's talk about redemption. Timing is key. Redeem points during off-peak seasons to stretch their value. Use tools like Google Flights or the award search tools on airline websites to find low-cost redemptions. Also, transfer points strategically to maximize value. For example, transferring Chase Ultimate Rewards points to airlines like Southwest or hotels like Hyatt often gives you better value than redeeming directly. Lastly, keep track of your points and miles with apps like Award Wallet or spreadsheets to avoid losing them due to expiration. Staying organized ensures you're ready to redeem when the perfect opportunity arises. With a solid plan, earning and using points and miles for free travel becomes simple and rewarding. From booking flights to securing luxury stays, you'll be amazed at how far points and miles can take you. Start today, and the world could soon be at your fingertips, for free. Now go turn your travel dreams into reality with points and miles.